how y'all doing today? Today I went to Carl's Jr. and I picked up the All-Star meal. It's a meal in a box. I got the fiery chicken sandwich. What's supposed to come in the meal is the fiery chicken sandwich that has Monterey Jack cheese and pickled jalapenos, a small fry, a fresh baked cookie, and a drink, and it's all for $5. So I figure, hey man, that's not too bad. So let's see first if we got everything in the box. So let's see what we got. We got the sandwich. Let's see. Fish. I didn't order fish. Oh, okay. So let's lay that out. Oh, look at them jalapenos on there. And that is pepper jack cheese. Yep, that's pepper jack cheese. So they definitely got me loaded with the jalapeno, so that's good. So that's correct. And I see my photo bomber's back. Then we have a small fry. Oh, yep. And I'm hoping that's chocolate chip. But, nah, it's chocolate chip. It's not raisin. I'm not a fan of raisin. So that is what you get for $5. That ain't bad. So let's start with the tasting, shall we? Get everything over here and away from the beagle. I love you too. So you definitely taste the jalapeno, but the jalapeno overrides the pepper jack cheese. You can taste the patty, and you can see the spices on the patty. But I will tell you part of this sandwich I don't like, and that's this. I ordered a sandwich, not a salad. So, get that out of there. Let's try the fries here. Overall, fries are good. Need to be salted, but good. Sandwich a lot better without the lettuce. That cookie smells good. There's the cookie. It's actually not a bad size either. I've seen meals that come with less. You know what? Here. So, let's try it. Ooh, it's soft. Look at that. That cookie's good. It's your standard chocolate chip cookie. I mean, nothing to write home about on anything different, but it's got big pieces of chocolate chip. And it's got a good flavor. So, overall, I would say this is a good meal. $5, sandwich, fries, cookie, and a drink. Can't go wrong. So, give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you've eaten Carl's Jr. before, what you like, what's your favorite meal. This is definitely a good one, and I'll definitely be buying it again. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and my shows come out Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I usually try to stick something in between one of those days. So until my next one, I'll see you later.